Howdy, partners! Is there anything more iconic for Christmas dinner than a big, beautiful roasted turkey? I mean, the mere sight of that golden bird sitting on the table just screams holiday cheer. But let's be honest, sometimes getting that picture-perfect turkey can feel more like a fumble in the end zone than a touchdown. Dry turkey? Been there. Undercooked turkey? Done that. But this year, we're going to change all that. I'm going to share my tried and true, foolproof tips and tricks for roasting the most delicious, juicy, flavorful Christmas turkey you've ever sunk your teeth into. We're talking the kind of turkey that makes your guests weak in the knees and beg for seconds and maybe even thirds. So grab your apron, your sense of humor, and let's get cooking. Now, some folks might think brining is just an extra step, but trust me, it's worth every single minute. Brining is like giving your turkey a spa day before the big game. You're basically soaking the bird in a salty, flavorful liquid that works its magic deep into the meat. This saltwater solution doesn't just add flavor, it actually changes the structure of the turkey's proteins, helping it retain more moisture during cooking. That means less chance of ending up with a dry, tough bird. There are tons of brine recipes out there, but I like to keep it simple. Water, salt, brown sugar, peppercorns, maybe a few sprigs of rosemary for good measure. You can even add a splash of apple cider for a touch of sweetness. Just make sure you give your turkey plenty of time to soak up all that brining goodness. I'm talking overnight in the refrigerator. Okay, so you've brined your turkey to perfection, and it's time to roast. You've got your oven preheated, your roasting pan ready to go, but hold your horses. Before that bird goes anywhere near the oven, you need to grab your most trusted kitchen sidekick, your meat thermometer. I cannot stress enough how important a meat thermometer is when roasting a turkey. It takes all the guesswork out of it. No more poking and prodding, no more cutting into the bird only to find out it's still raw in the middle. Just insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the thigh, making sure it doesn't touch any bone. You're looking for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the magic number that guarantees a perfectly cooked, juicy turkey. Chapter 3. Rest, stop, don't skip this step. Your turkey is out of the oven smelling absolutely divine, and you are so ready to dig in. But hold on just a little longer, my friend. We've got one more crucial step, letting the turkey rest. I know, it's hard to resist the temptation to carve into that golden bird right away. But trust me, resting the turkey for at least 20 to 30 minutes before carving is key to maximum juiciness. When you roast a turkey, all those delicious juices get pushed towards the center of the bird. Letting it rest gives those juices time to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a more tender and flavorful turkey. So, while your turkey is taking a little snooze, you can use this time to whip up some gravy, fluff up your mashed potatoes, and pour yourself a celebratory glass of wine. You deserve it. Chapter 4. Baste that bird like you mean it. Now let's talk basting. Basting is like giving your turkey a little drink of flavor throughout the roasting process. It helps keep the meat moist, promotes even browning, and adds another layer of deliciousness to your bird. Every 30 minutes or so, grab your trusty baster and give that turkey a good shower in its own juices. Don't be shy. Scoop up all that flavorful liquid from the bottom of the pan and pour it all over the turkey. You can also add some extra flavor to your basting liquid by tossing in some herbs, garlic cloves, or even citrus fruits. Get creative and have fun with it. Chapter 5. Aromatics, your secret flavor weapon. Okay, y'all, this last tip is all about taking your turkey's flavor to the next level. We're talking about aromatics, those magical ingredients that infuse your turkey with incredible depth and complexity. Before you pop that bird in the oven, take a minute to give it a little aromatic spa treatment. Stuff the cavity with halved onions, whole garlic cloves, sprigs of fresh herbs like thyme, rosemary, and sage. You can even add some citrus fruits like oranges or lemons for a bright, fresh flavor. As the turkey roasts, these aromatics will work their magic, releasing their fragrant oils and infusing the meat with incredible flavor. Plus, it makes your kitchen smell like a dream. Outro, go forth and roast. Well, partners, there you have it. My 5 foolproof tips for roasting the most delicious, juicy, and flavorful Christmas turkey your family has ever tasted. Remember, brining is your best friend, a meat thermometer is non-negotiable, resting is key, basting is a must, and aromatics are your secret weapon. Now go forth and roast that turkey with confidence. And while you're at it, why not spread a little holiday cheer by sharing these tips with your friends and family? After all, the more delicious turkeys in the world, the better. And hey, if you're looking for some amazing sides to go with that perfect turkey, be sure to check out the link in the video description. You'll find all my favorite recipes. Happy holidays, everyone!